Got the water again. This bitch is calling me Aquaman. I got a phone number, calling again. Calling again. Calling again. Binges on binges on binges again. That's all I've been on since you got with him. Ain't been the same since. I wanna save my pain.
Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do these beautiful V-part wig by OQ Hair. This is their 22-inch Afro curly V-part wig. It is so beautiful. The curls are so soft. Everything about this wig is going to be so perfect for summer or even like a vacation. Like, I don't even know. Anything that you want, this wig is for you. Very low maintenance, just beautiful. This video a like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys want to see more videos like this, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. This is what the box looks like that it came in. When you first open the box, a whole bag of accessories as well as a $15 cashback coupon. Ooh, okay. So I got me a wig cap, and then we also have some clips. Ooh, these are super cute. So it's a black and like a dark gray clip. I'm gonna for sure use these. I wish I had these earlier when I was actually installing the hair, but yeah. And then there's just a couple extra bands that you could have in the hair as well. That is pretty much all it comes with. Let's go ahead and get straight into the install. Ooh, jump scare, I know. It looks so crazy. Look how big and full this hair is. Okay, I'm getting excited. Like, you guys could not tell me that this is not, like, it looks so freaking natural. I have the smallest, tiniest bit of like my actual hair out right here, and then I did like a little crochet method up top. This entire thing is sewn down. Y'all, I'm getting so excited. Like, I cannot believe this. Oh, y'all, I always wanted long hair. This is like perfect. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna take some water, which I already have in my water bottle. I'm gonna spray everything down, and then that's when I'm gonna start putting the product in it to like really define those curls. Okay, so I really want to come on here and just show you guys the difference of what the wig looks like. Like, do you guys see how beautiful these curls are? I really wish my natural hair would blend better with like how it looks wet, but it's just beautiful. Like, let's stop by and show you guys, but I'm gonna keep going and do the other side and then come back. This is what it looks like right now. It's very beautiful. Like, the curls are just As you guys can tell, my leave out is not blending as much as it was before when it was fluffy, but I think it still looks fine, you know, if you do have like 4C hair. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start with our cuts. So the first thing I'm gonna start off with is just kind of trying to make everything layered. So I'm gonna go through, maybe just, I still like the length a lot, but I'm gonna just go through and just cut a tiny bit off so it could be all the same length. You guys see, now it's all one length. So this next part, I'm gonna just take the front of my hair and I'm gonna do some face framing layers. It really just all depends on how short you want the front of your hair to be. Like, you can cut them higher up and kind of have like a nice bang look, but I don't want to cut too much off because, you know, you can't add anything else, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just take it and go like this, kind of where my chin is at, and then go down at an angle like that. And then once again, I'm gonna take a little bit more and kind of go down again where that last part started. Okay, so now that we have the front layers here, I'm then gonna start taking sections out of the back, and I'm gonna leave the length down here, but I'm gonna continue kind of doing like that rounded shape that I showed you guys before. And I'm gonna take this part here as just like a guide of where to start. So now we have this shape here, and pretty much I'm gonna just go through and where I feel like needs some cutting, because I feel like this one looks I kind of like this side a little bit better, but I'm gonna try to like make it a little bit more even, if that makes sense. I think this side might be a little bit longer. This is what the back looks like of how I cut it. I'm really trying to decide if I want to cut it a little bit shorter. What do you guys think? Is it too long? I have no clue what it looks like there. Come back when that is done. So now I'm pretty much just gonna go ahead and define the curls. Y'all, my shirt is literally soaked with water. But anyways, the product that I'm gonna be using is the Pattern Styling Custard Pomade, as well as the Spiked Honey Mousse. This is by Camilla Rose. I heard so many good reviews about this on TikTok, so I really wanted to try it. A little bit of both. Like I said, I don't want it too saturated and that it can kind of weigh the hair down a little bit too much. So I'm gonna just take a little bit, put a little bit in my hand, and then kind of rub it through the hair. Okay, so this is what the curls look like now that everything is defined. It looks amazing. That's what I'm saying. If your hair really blends with it curly, like, it will be so beautiful. But I'm gonna have to just let it wait and dry. I don't have a diffuser, so I'm gonna have to let it air dry, which is gonna probably take a while. But I will come back on when everything is fully dry, just to show you guys like the final product, because I really have a good feeling about this wig. So you guys, I am back, and this is the finished product. Like, you cannot tell me that this is not the most beautiful hair ever. It looks so natural, such like a minimal, you know, leave out, that it just really looks so beautiful. Like, I've never ever tried this hairstyle before, like even like as a wig, and like this is really crazy that I feel so beautiful with this. Like, it's actually so nice. So pretty much what I did off camera was it was wet, so I pretty much just blow dried it with my head completely upside down, just so it could get some volume down at the base. And I also kind of just been fluffing some of it out with just my fingers, and that's how it has so much volume right now. But yeah, y'all, that is really the end of the video. I really hope you guys all enjoyed. Please make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know down in the comment section down below if you guys want to see some more like V-part wigs, or even just like different curls. Go ahead and let me know down below. That's really it. I love you guys so much, and stay tuned for next time. Bye, y'all.